Hi, I'm Candy, the host of the Way On podcast, and we are currently here today at the Forex 2024 Expo. And I'm here with.
Hello, my name is Fadi. I'm a senior business development manager with ATFX.
How long have you been in the Forex industry?
Well, more or less, we're talking about seven years.
Why would you recommend ATF?
Simply, we are a global leader in this industry. We're ranked now number 4 in MT4 and MT5 volume, global wise. It's a reliable one. By saying reliable, let's say we mean some commercial details for the traders, we mean some supporting tools. It's all about money at the end. So when you have access to your money anytime you want, so this is a good choice.
So, what are the requirements for one to become an IB with ATFX?
We can say simply to have the proper knowledge in the industry, sometimes a certain number of accounts to start with. So, averagely, we talk about 5 accounts for any IB to start doing business together. And of course, depends on the business size, the offer will be.
So, what are some of the benefits one will gain if they become an IB with ATFX?
He will get good rebates.
Okay.
I don't like to choose high rebates because it might be considered as a bluff sentence, you know? So as long as I'm offering you, for example, as an IB, good execution, one of the best spreads in the market, at the same time, high rebates comparing to those spreads, some tools that will help your traders. So it will be a win-win situation for all of us, for the trader, for you as an IB, and for me as a broker.
So, what is the target market of ATFX?
Since we have an ESCA license in UAE, mostly we focus on the UAE clients, GCC clients, let's say overall. We have 8 different licenses globally. So you can say it's a mass reach for us as ATFX. So it depends on the country of residency for each client. We find the suitable license for him to onboard him under it.
That's great. Okay, so also, what advice would you give to someone who is looking for a broker? What should they look out for?
License, number 1, the accessibility for the money. Whenever you want to request any withdrawal, you can get it easily. Your funds are secured. Then you have to be aware of the technical and commercial details of the trading, which means spreads, execution, payment methods, and all of that.
Yeah. So finally, what advice would you give to someone who is trying to get into the Forex industry in 2024?
Learn. Keep learning. This industry never ends. We have new variables every day. We have new techniques every day. Now we have the AI revolution. We have the algo trading. We have the automated trading concept overall. Keep learning. Risk management is the key success factor in this industry. And always keep pushing for more.
Yeah. Thank you very much for having us, and thank you for your time. And I'm here with.
Mo Padani at Infinox Global. Okay, so I work with Infinox Global as the sales director. We have many clients, let's say, all across the globe that sign up with Infinox to receive trading, activity, prices, and liquidity. We are very premium in our IB models. So in order to be an IB, it's very simple. We provide you a premium customer support to your IBs, a relationship manager per se. IBs can sign up very easily on the application form. They submit the KYC documents, and then one of our business developers will speak to them in terms of the deal that they would like. I can't explain how important it is in our industry, in our world, of a premium support. So the IB will receive contact directly with one of the relationship associates or managers. What will happen is they will speak to them, understand what the requirements are for the IBs. So whether they would want some sort of education, some sort of copy trading, some sort of analytics, whatever we can do to make the IB's life easy for their clients to trade with us. I would say the dominance, how long they've been in the market for. I would say the regulatory bodies that they work with. I would say the support they receive, the reviews online, ensuring that they are with a reliable, trustable broker.
If there's a newbie, a beginner who wants to get into the Forex industry, what advice would you give them?
Don't trade. Well, I say that because I prefer the clients to sign up, ensuring that they're on a demo account, getting a bit more up to date with the market news. But actually, it's very interesting. We have a product called iX Social, where we have a lot of retail clients that don't have the time, don't have the expertise to sign up as a trader or to have the knowledge as a trader. So what we do is we have a number of, let's say, professional traders on the platform where they can copy the traders and they will hopefully win. And all they do is pay a fee called a performance fee. So if the trader wins, they pay a fee. If the trader doesn't win, they don't pay a fee. So it's the trader's utmost job to ensure that the clients are profiting. Also, it develops a social aspect to it. So they can speak to the trader, get updates in terms of the market news, the analytics, what is happening, and why he is placing that trade, to provide more of an education piece rather than just copy trading.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and thank you for having us. And I'm here with
Mr. Rami Al-Tabish, a senior account manager in equity. So we are currently representing Equity Securities Currencies broker here in the UAE. Equity is a regulated broker from the Central Bank Securities Commodities Authority license Tier 1.
So why do you choose equity?
As I told you, we are regulated here. Our head offices are based here in Dubai, Sheikh Zayed Road, Lamborghini building.
Okay.
And we have a rep office as well in Abu Dhabi. So for an IB, we definitely recommend that the IB should be a little bit experienced about the market. So if he gonna provide special services for his clients, so he can be aware about what he is actually providing. And definitely a knowledge in the market. They have actually to look after a good commission, a competitive commission. Make sure that you always trade with an STP broker, an A-book broker, a well-regulated broker as well. First of all, you need to learn more about it. Always ask about it. Look after a regulated brokers. Watch videos. Learn how to trade properly. How to use the platforms, either CTrader, TradingView, MT4, MT5, or Equity Trader. And definitely always reach out to a regulated broker that they can teach you how to trade or give you a proper advice.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. It was nice having you. And I'm here with
My name is Deep. I'm the Senior Relationship Manager with TNFX.
Nice to have you, Deep. So I want to ask, what are the types of accounts you have for TNFX?
Well, in TNFX, we have a multiple accounts. We have a standard account, we have a cent account, we have a VIP account, and we have a zero account. So all these account types has a different valuations. Like all the account types, you can choose according to your budget, and you can start the trading with that. Well, when you start as an IB, it's one of the biggest thing which you're achieving in the market. So IB, when you start with an IB, first of all, you should be aware that yes, I'm doing trading by myself. And if I want to indulge, like for an example, I want to add my friends or family members or any of my surrounded people, like, they are interested to do the trading, but they doesn't know which link to follow for that. So as a broker, you can create your IB first with TNFX. You will get a specific link which you can share to your friends, and once they register, it will be keep coming to your account. So IB requirements is pretty simple. We just need your ID, your front and back of your ID, and any of your address proof. You can give any of the address proof for that. Well, when it comes to benefits, like, see, in this market, everyone loves to make money. Everyone wants to make a money. So IB is one hand, you can upgrade yourself towards the trading when it comes to an IB. Now let's take an example. You wants to be an IB with me. You wants to do the trading with me. Now being an IB, I have given you my link. You register yourself. Whichever the trade you will be doing, the IB will get in specific commissions for that in his account. So now we are providing up to $10 the commissions, right? Now let's take an example. You started with some small instruments like Microsoft, Google, Tesla. You're trading on a small volume size, but IB on the simultaneously, like you're making the profit as a client, but being an IB, you're making a profit for yourself. You're getting like, an extra commission for that. The best thing is that all I can say, it's we are the best and we can beat the rest. Okay. So when it comes to TNFX, we believe to teach them, we believe to make the clients understand what exactly the trading works. Because yes, if there is a positive, there is a negative as well. There are so many freshest clients out there who wants to do the trading in this market, but they have absolutely no knowledge about that. This is what I suggest to my clients as well. Start with a demo account. Once you open the demo account, side by side, check the news as well. Because at the end, the market doesn't run by me, doesn't run by TNFX. It's run by the news. So you have to focus yourself on a news. What are the news are coming towards the market? For an example, like today I have a Fed reports are coming. Today I have a FOMC meetings are coming. Today I have some average non-CPI reports are coming. So keep an eye on those news. Those news bring a big impact on when you're trading on any instruments, whether it's a gold, natural gas, palladium, platinum. It brings a very huge changes. Even the indices like US Tech 100, which we call a Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones, it bring a good changes. So what I'll suggest, being a beginners in this market, always open a demo account. Okay, once you open the demo account, keep your eye on the news. Once you educate yourself, let's take an example, in 1 month, 30 days to 60 days, you educate yourself towards the trading. Then you go ahead and open a live account, deposit a good amount of money, start up volume size. Like, when it comes to the trading, you should always choose a small volume size. Doesn't, like, for an example, I have a $10,000 in my account and I want to put all my money and risk it. Seriously, it's not going to work. So what I'll suggest always, if you have a $10,000, $20,000 in your account, start with a small volume size. Put your trade like $6 of trade, $10 of trade, and make sure you always use stop loss and take profit. Because once you understand the principle of risk management, the trading life is much easier for you. So always keep an eye on the risk management, which is very much important. That this much I want to make profit and this much loss I can grab it from the market and I can skip this market. But yes, this is all the play role of risk management, which is very much important in this. For beginner traders, as I said, you have to keep an eye on the news. Market is very big. There are people who wants to do the daily trading. For an example, there are beginners who wants to do the daily trading, daily profit. Like, I want to indulge myself with a gold, crude oil, natural gas. I'll make a small profit. I'll skip from the market. But there are traders who like to hold the position for the long term. Like beginner traders, they doesn't know what is a gold. They doesn't know what is a crude oil, right? They doesn't know what is a intraday trading. So I'll suggest them have a good knowledge on very good stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Johnson and Johnson, Pfizer companies. We have like all the stocks we have available. Even the European stocks we have: Ferrari, Vodafone, Volkswagen. You can trade on those. For an example, today I'm buying a Tesla in this market. Why should I buy a Tesla car? I'll go for a Tesla shares, right? Because the small amount, I can keep it growing slower and gradually it will grow in the account. So I'll suggest my beginners, go with the shares. Once you have a good knowledge with the shares, then jump to the intraday trading.
And we are here today at the Forex 2024 Summit with
Ayat Mahrez.
Nice to meet you. Hayat, how long have you been in the trading industry?
Almost 4 years now.
So I also saw at your booth there's a cashback rebate service. What is that about?
Yeah, actually, this for traders, not for the IB direct traders. Every lot you will open, you will take that cashback. Like, for example, if you will open 50 lots, you will take $40. Sorry.
So what are the requirements to become an IB for TNFX?
Nothing, just register and click for become an IB.
That's it.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. And I'm here with...
Aristos Pantelli.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been in the Forex industry?
Delighted to meet you. I'm in the Forex industry for the last 10 years.
So why do you choose MultiBank?
So that's a great question because, of course, the regulations. It's one of the most regulated broker in the planet. And the trading conditions. The requirements basically is for you to be an IB, introducing broker, is to have a network. So IBs usually, they provide education, they manage accounts, or they provide signals to their clients. So benefits, of course, are their commissions, the rebates, and of course, the loyalty program. MultiBank Group offers a very specialized and one of the best trading conditions in the planet. And of course, it's tailor-made. So each IB can choose the accounts that they want to provide to their clients. So one of the most important things is the regulations. Make sure that the company that you're dealing, it's been in the market for a very long time. So they beat the test of time. They're regulated. And of course, you need to check how long they've been performing in the market and the people and the trading conditions. Okay, find someone that has been doing this for a while and has a track record. And again, always, guys, before you invest, make sure that you need to find the right people, that they've been in the industry and they know that the companies are regulated, and that's it.
Yeah. Thank you very much for having us and thank you for your time.
I represent Tradeview Markets. We're based out of the Cayman Islands, but we have multiple offices globally. And we just recently opened an office here in Dubai with ESCA in Category 2. We do things a little bit differently. We try to take a more personal approach with our customer service. So let's say, for example, I take on a client. I don't pass that client on to somebody else, to customer service. I service that client throughout the entire relationship. And I think that's a little bit different than what some other brokers do. We also offer multiple different products, not only FX, but we do futures and options. We do on-exchange equities as well. So the combination of that, I believe, takes us apart from some of the other brokers out there. To become an IB with Tradeview, you need to obviously fill out an application, provide us with your basic information, your ID, proof of address, and basically we would hope for you to have a website, a client base, and to have some knowledge about the industry and not just kind of come off the street and just introduce clients without really having any knowledge about the industry. Like I mentioned before, some of the benefits, you'd be able to have the more personal approach that I mentioned before. So you'd be dealing with us on a one-on-one basis throughout the entire relationship. We do not pass you on. You'll have access to our accounting team, our operations team, and applications team as well. You'll have access to all our different licenses around the world. We have, I believe, 6 licenses and offices now, including Dubai. And I think, along with the personal approach, I think, it'd be beneficial to sign up with us. The number one advice I would give is to make sure that they have a proper license in the industry. Like I mentioned, we have 6 licenses, one in Europe, one in the UK, our original license in the Cayman Islands. We just recently applied and have been approved for a Dubai license. We have a license in Mauritius and another one in Malaysia as well. So the combination of the different regulations and licenses, and also, banking. I think if you deal with tier 1 banks, so, if you never heard of a bank that the broker has a relationship with, I think that's a drawback. You want to deal with companies that have relationships with well-known banks and deposit institutions where you feel safe with them depositing money. Definitely, like I just mentioned, you want to pick a broker that you feel safe and secure with. One that's well licensed, one that has good financial backing, that deals with good banking relationships, and a broker that provides educational help for the clients, that teach the clients about trading, that's there for them 24/7. This is a 24/7 business, and good customer service, I think, is the number one thing that differentiates a good broker from an outstanding broker. I mean, all these brokers here offer the same thing. I think customer service and providing that personal approach to the client.
And I'm here with
Firdaus.
Fidaus. Nice to meet you, Fidaus. How long have you been in the trading industry?
I've been in this trading industry since 2008, and this would be my, 16 years already. Yes. I'm currently using Trading Pro as my main broker. Yeah.
Okay, so why do you use Trading Pro?
Well, they have most of the trading accounts that user friendly, I would say. I have all the types of account that I needed. We have the rookie account, the sense account for the beginners.
Okay.
We have the most tightest spread account for the global. For the global side, and I love enjoying to have a trading account that has very, very tight spread. So that's why I chose Basically, there is no requirement for you to become the IB. IB is a very open opportunities to everybody to join. But however, if you want to increase your income in the IB, there will be some requirement for you to climb up the ranking. Becoming IB with Trading Pro, you will enjoy a very competitive rebates or commission. Number one. Number two is if you become the top tier of our IB, you will be getting 20% extra income every month. Yes, and on top of everything, we will customize everything for you. Let's say if you need to have a physical event like seminar, webinar classes, we are more open to sponsor you any kind of these opportunities. Uh, I would say I'm looking into three different areas when I'm looking for a broker. Number one is I need that broker to have a very supportive live chat system, meaning that whenever I want to chat with someone, to get in contact with someone, they will be available 24/7. Number one. Number two is to have a broker that has a reputable license. Number three is to have a very good and competitive products. Number one is invest in knowledge first. Try to learn as much as possible so that you will not be losing out in the market. Find a good mentor to actually guide you through the whole process. Because during my time, I spent a lot of time, a lot of money losing in the market without any mentor. So I would suggest to all the newbies traders out there to actually invest in the learning and also to find a mentor to guide you through the whole process.
Thank you very much for all the insights and the information. Thank you for your time. I'm currently here with.
Gennaro, I'm the owner of DB Investing.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been in the trading industry?
10 years now. Seems like yesterday, but yes, it's 10 years. Yes.
That's nice. So why DB? Why should people choose your broker?
Listen, as I said, there is a huge competition. I'm right now. To improve the business relation with the partners, what do? We ask straight to our partners, what do you need to grow your business? What are you looking for? Straight. And we tailor-made the offer. This is the difference between us and other brokers.
Yeah.
What we are looking for, serious IB that have genuine clients, good portfolio, good book.
That's great.
Yeah,
Okay, so what are the benefits of becoming an IB for your company?
we pay really high commissions, high rebates. As I said, we focus more pay our partners than the marketing. A lot of brokers here, if you can see, maybe you saw online, they spend millions monthly in budgets. For what? Just to push for their branding. Instead, we prefer to focus more on our partners and pay more our partners. It's a long-term relation.
If someone is looking to go into like check for a new broker, a new trader, what would you advise them to look out for in that broker?
Well, there are a lot of requirements to see. Okay, regulation first, where they are storing the funds. Okay, a lot of brokers they mention we have blah 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 all the stories. We can offer to our clients if they are wiring their funds are secure in a JP Morgan accounts. Let's say again, there are a lot of things they need to see. Other things regarding the technology, if they can provide a really good technology, execution, good spreads. Again, there are a lot of things. Of course, I don't want to make a list. Okay, I don't want to be boring. But as I said, after the first checklist, why not? We are more welcome to take on board good clients, good
What's
IBs.
currently the target markets of your company?
We focus on GCC, Asia, Africa. We also present in Nigeria and Latam. Train not with the live money, but with the demo accounts. Okay. At least if you will lose money, you will lose on a demo. Okay. And after a bit of training, yes, let's go live, but be updated on a daily basis. And don't take decision based on the emotions, but of course based on the markets. Because at the end, it's the market and take decision for us, not. Okay.
Thank you very much for your time and thank you for having us.
My name is Muhammad. I'm working for XM as a partners relations manager.
Oh, that's great. So, Muhammad, why XM? Why should we choose XM?
Well, XM is a well-established broker since 15 years ago. We are 15 years in this market. We have been developing this market since 2009 in so many countries, in so many aspects. That's why such a broker would be worth it to work with. Well, requirements are not really hard. It's not something difficult. The most important that you have your ways, you have your channels in order to bring clients and take care of them in a way that you will help them to trade. Maybe you will help them to learn more, because number one we always care about is education. There's so many benefits. For sure there is money, there is commissions, there is these benefits, but the bigger benefit he can get with XM, that he will be always developing himself. We always working on ideas, on developments, where he can reach the maximum benefits, and also we get the maximum benefit, and our client will be always our priority. First of all, you have to look for a regulated broker, so your money is safe. This is number one you have to search for. And a broker which will provide you a good services and education. Education is very important. If you go to trade and you are not educated about what you are going to do, you are going to lose everything. Well, the first advice is again education. We care about it the most. You get the enough education, so you are going to stay the best way in the market.
We are currently here at the 2024 Forex Expo, and I'm here with.
Christian Amagosh, I'm the head of partners at Axie.
So, what are the requirements for becoming an IB for Axie?
So very easy. Basically, we ask for somebody to relay the good message, a very compliant message to the clients, nothing basically fraudulent, be really honest and transparent, just like how we like to be with our clients. So as long as the message is well forwarded to the clients, it's fine with us. As long as you have a good network of clients, you help out your clients, you're very transparent with them, we would love to have you. So the benefits of becoming an IB, well, of course, other than the commissions, we really like to invest with our IBs. So we help with creative assets, landing pages, campaigns, competitions, bonuses, anything that can help out the IB to even grow his network would be perfect for us. It's a win-win situation for everyone.
Okay. So do you have any bonuses or any programs to like entice your clients?
Of course. So at the request of the IB, if in case we don't have an active campaign, we can always create something specific for the IB. Deposit bonus, redeposit bonus. Of course, it has to be compliant, but we can always do, we can discuss with the IB himself. He can request it and we can do anything he needs. Creative assets, special landing pages. We can always do anything.
Okay.
I think, in my opinion, other than regulation, of course, would be deposit and withdrawal. Always check who has easy deposit and withdrawal methods in your own country, in your preferred method. If you like, for example, a specific, let's say, bank, make sure that broker can easily, accommodate you with that bank. If it's crypto, can they easily accommodate crypto deposits and withdrawal? As long as that's, taken care of, I think the rest should be easy.
Okay.
As a trader, I would advise them to check out our Axie Select account. In case you don't know about it, it's basically what we consider to be the future of prop trading. It's not on a demo account, it's a live account. There are no registration fees, it's completely free. The only thing you need to do is invest $500 of your own account, of your own money, into this live account. And as soon as you prove that you're a good, serious trader, we can fund you up to $1 million and you can take 90% of the profits.
Okay, thank you very much for having me. Thank you for your time. So I'm here with.
My name's James Watts.
Nice to meet you, James. So how long have you been in the trading industry?
I've been in the industry now for 16 years on the brokerage side. So I started off in Geneva, then I moved to London for about 10 years, and I moved to Dubai in 2019. I represent Torox. So here we're regulated by the FCA, or a company within the group is regulated by the FCA, DFSA, and we're in the process of getting our ESCA license as well.
Okay, so why should one choose your broker?
I think it's stability. Having been in the industry for so long, I've seen a bunch of brokers come and go, unfortunately. It's quite damaging for the industry as a whole. As we can see here, there's a bunch of guys exhibiting. My concern is who's going to be here next year. And I think that's a big concern for the industry as a whole. Stability and a strong regulatory framework, fair trading condition and fund security has to be the top priority. Well, we're pretty flexible. In terms of IBs, we're always interested in learning a bit more about your business, figuring out how we can work together. We're very competitive in terms of spread, so commercials. as well as a commercial offering. So, for partners who want to set us good flow, we can be pretty aggressive on our commercials there.
Okay. So what are some benefits one is going to gain if they become an IB with your company?
So I think for any IB, the most important thing again is stability. Ultimately it's you who's facing your client. Yeah. So if the broker is unable to pay out to either you or the clients, it's you who needs to face the client, and it's your reputation that's ultimately going to be impacted. Yeah. So whilst we've seen a race to the bottom in terms of commercials, everyone's offering really tight spreads and really aggressive rebates, it's not sustainable, right? So what is sustainable? Because that's going to be the difference between you having to find a new broker in 2 years because your brokerage is no longer there, and your client's money is no longer there, and building a genuine business with a brokerage that has sustainability, a broker that's able to stand the test of time and continue to serve you for many years.
So what's your target market?
Geographically, we're global. I see Southeast Asia as a huge region, massive potential in that area, as well as the GCC region. And obviously, we're physically here. We also have a physical presence in Southeast Asia. The emerging markets are particularly interesting, but I think strategically, you've got to be pretty smart in terms of where to target, and that's what we're drilling down on. You need to manage your counterparty risk. Trading risk is something that we take every day, and you can accept it. Some trades you win, some trades you lose. When counterparty risk is, how stable your counterparty is. What happens if your counterparty defaults on payments? How protected are you? And that's the most important aspect. That's how you live to have a long and successful career in the industry. Yeah. If you're constantly chasing the best commercials, moving from one bad broker to the next because they're offering you the best rebates in the world or the best commercials in the world, it's a short stop to ending your business. You've got to think commercially. If your business doesn't make sense for the brokerage, which quite often, if you think about the commercials that they're offering you, it won't. What does that mean for you long term? Yeah. It depends in what capacity. If you're looking to trade, it's kind of the age-old sentiments. Warren Buffett, for example, ultimately what you're looking to do is to buy value. The trend is your friend. Buy low, sell high. There's various different things, but the most important thing is counterparty risk. There's so many brokers out there with great marketing strategies that will entice you with fantastic offers. They're not sustainable. If your money's no longer there, then it's money down the pan. Take a bit of time, look for the opportunities in the market, look for the good guys in the market, and you don't have to trade every day either. A big part of trading is sitting on your hands, so no trading activity is still part of your strategy.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for having us. And I'm here with?
I'm Cheyenne.
Cheyenne, nice to meet you. So Cheyenne, how long have you been in the trading industry?
We have been in trading industry around 5 years now. Since 2019, we established this company and we've been in Forex market.
Oh, great.
Only one and only mission in STP Trading is to make sure that the customers and clients can make the most profit possible and can stay in the market. They will go to our website, they do registration.
Okay.
Usually it will be approved in less than 2 hours and then they can start. We have a table and a lot of services for our IBs that we can talk and we can have a tailored contract based on that IB's need. First of all, we have a commission table that change based on their volumes, and we have a maximizer plan. You just need to check our website. The full details are there, and it is a really interesting plan for the IBs, mostly Middle East. We are currently focused on Middle East, but we are working with all around the world, except for some countries which are having their own rules. Make sure that they are choosing an NDD broker that is fully connected to major LPs and banks so that the broker interest is the same way as the client interest. The broker benefits when the client benefits, not the other way around.
And I'm here with
Shaima Ghanem, a country manager in GCC. I have been in the trading industry for over 10 years.
So what products are you here for? What company do you stand for?
I actually represent Exness. We have been in the market for over 15 years. We're a regulated firm and we're based in Cyprus, actually. For someone to choose Exness, someone has to choose loyalty, transparency, and trust. For someone who has been 15 years in the industry with a good name and a good reputation as well. And Exness, why to become a partner with us in Exness or an IB account or to open an IB account with us in Exness is because we pay for every order. We're very transparent. You bring the clients and we keep them for you because we have the best trading conditions, better than the market itself. We're actually targeting retail clients today. It's B2C Expo in Dubai. So we're targeting IBs and clients, B2C overall. We actually cover the MENA region today in Dubai, but we cover also many other regions like LATAM, SSA, Asia, and South Africa as well. Everyone can be an IB with Exness. You should open an account, a trading account, get it verified, and then you will have your referral link. When you have your referral link, use it to register at least one client, and then your IB will be activated.
Okay, that's great. So, what are some benefits one is going to gain if they're an IB with Exness?
For the benefits, as I mentioned earlier, we pay for every order. We have a very transparent calculation method with formulas, with the current spread, with the current type of the account. And we have a members area that shows all the calculation, the active members. And we also have many other benefits like our partner loyalty program, which has many prizes starting from $500 cash to fancy watches and cars as well. Actually, first of all, you should check the regulation. If they're regulated by the regulatory firms that are well known in the industry, you should check their headquarters. You should check the experience of the broker itself, how many years it has been in the market, and the reviews online, of course, and the word of the mouth, because people talk and yeah, you can get a lot of information out of that. But to focus on regulation, of course. For newbies, let's say, I would actually advise them to go for a demo account to read and get more, educational materials, maybe join a webinar, a seminar, maybe catch a seminar for Exness and GCC as well and get to know more info.
And we are at the Exness booth with
Shadi Saloom, the regional director of MENA.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been in the trading industry?
Since 2010.
So why should people use your broker?
2 words, trust and reliability. The first, trust, we're talking about trust. So we obtained 5 different licenses from different places. We're talking about ASIC in Australia, CISIC in Cyprus, Seychelles, Lubuan in Malaysia, and South Africa. And we are under the process to obtain the ASIC in UAE. So this is the first and the most important part in order to gain trust from the client. Reliability, I'm talking about the diversify account types and low spreads, fast executions, flexible leverage. To become an IB, you have your own social media platforms, which is providing fruitful content, and more importantly, like it's educational directed. So we can help you to build this in the first place. Second, you provide a profitable services to your clients. Third, you are dealing with trusted broker. So those are 3 the main elements. Essential. Okay. So basically, the IB model is based on the repaid, so which is sharing some of our revenue that we are getting per transaction. So we have a very diversified and unique partnership, depending on the partner level and all the other aspects that I've talked about. First of all, you need to check the regulations when the broker was established, what other trusted aspect that the broker provides to the clients. Second, you need to check their account types. Is it suitable for your trading style or not? Third, you need to check their payment solution. Is it like compatible with what you have or no?
Finally, what advice would you give people who want to get into trading?
Invest wisely, learn before you enter the market.
And I'm here at the Naqdi booth with...
My name is Ahmad Fakir. I'm the head of operations at Naqdi. I've been in the FX industry and the trading industry since 2012, so that makes it 12 years from now. You should choose Naqdi because we have one of the best execution. Like we just started this year, and we've started around whatever all the companies were providing. So we're providing even better. We have better spreads, and we have fast deposit and withdrawal process. If you want to become an IB with Naqdi, you just have to register on our website. We'll convert you to an IB and we'll share a link with you. You will share this link with your clients, through which your clients could be onboarded. And once your clients will be onboarded, they'll be directly under you. And we have to agree. Obviously, there's an IB agreement between us, on which you sign or on which we agree how much rebates are you gonna earn, and then that's it. It's very easy. We have one of the most generous rebates. It's a great relationship we can have with the IB in terms of trading, in terms of benefits. We're currently, since we're based in Dubai, we're targeting the Middle East and Southeast Asia, but we're open to all markets. It's an international market, so we're open to everybody. First of all, they should look out for the reputation. They should look out for the trading advantages, and obviously they should look out for how fast is the withdrawal process. Well, I advise everybody to read a lot about the market, to read about the broker they're gonna trade with, and to know what they're trading, obviously.
And I'm here at the CMS Prime booth with
Kunal. I'm Kunal from CMS. I'm an account manager here for the past 3 years.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been in the trading industry?
Total, I have like 6 years of experience, 3 years with CMS Prime. Well, CMS Prime is one of the established brokers since 2004. We have multiple regulation and we have been in industry for very, very long time. So the management and everything is really well versed with all the Forex expertise. Requirement is not as such as you know that referring business is quite popular nowadays. So anybody who wants to refer clients to CMS Prime, we would make a custom-made deal for them, and we have great offerings. As a company, what we do is, we cater to different types of IB from different region. It will be simple. See, as I said, that we cater to different clients. So probably some IBs would not be able to crack a deal to another companies where we can give them the deals which they are required, and also we have this deposit and withdrawal options for IBs. We are available in most of the region. We have presence in Asia. We have strong presence in Iran market and Middle East as well, and we also have a client base in Europe and other parts of South America. See, when you select a broker, you should always see if it's an established broker or not, and what type of deposit and withdrawals, because deposits are always easy, but when you talk about withdrawal, it becomes slightly difficult. We have a record of giving the withdrawals within 24 hours for most of the clients. Well, start with a regulated broker first thing, so that because your money is always safe. Yeah, and if you want to you choose CMS Prime, you get in touch with our account managers, who will offer you exceptional customer support. So in case if you are new, you don't know anything, we can start from the scratch and we explain you about everything. So in case if you are new, you can start with a demo account and understand market, and then put the real money to play and trade.
Okay, thank you very much for having us, and thank you for your time.
We are represent as an Indian broker. As you see the name called Tattvam, it's a Sanskrit name. So we want to represent us as an Indian broker, but globally, and provide the services to everybody who is interested for trading and explore our market. We want to bring more trust and transparency toward the market, as it's a financial business and financial things. People looking for something that it's transparency, that we have the licenses, but still people demanding that how we can trust you guys and what's the benefits. So they want trust and the benefits. So we are looking on that forward, that how to bring trust on the people. It's very simple. We make the things very simple. So they just have to do the due diligence and KYC of there, and they can onboard by themselves initially, and then they can introduce their clients. They gain the commissions, okay, time to time, and they also gain the value of the company. Like we represent as a regulated broker, so they also value added for them, and they make the commissions out of the clients' tradings. My current market is at the moment UAE. At the moment is UAE, yes. Make sure that the broker is locally for them, easy to access whenever they want to go meet around, because there are many offshore brokers and from the foreign brokers. Like initially they can engage with them, but then it's difficult for them to interact while process. So we make sure that you go with the local brokers where offices are located for them, easy to access, and then have day-to-day life interaction with their RMs, salespeople, and they can enjoy the benefits local. For the beginner trader, I advise them that make sure you understand the rules and regulations and the risk and reward of the market. This market is for everybody. Okay, but they really have to understand that how to engage with this market. Because new traders, they sometimes they feel that okay, it's a money-making market, but still there's something has to know, knowing the knowledge and make sure they have properly engaged with the correct people.
And I'm at the AvaTrade booth with.
Hi, Alan. I'm the Senior Vice President for AvaTrade Middle East. Yeah, thank you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Alan. So can you please tell me how long have you been in the trading industry?
I've been more than 14 years in the trading industry. We are multi-asset and multi-regulated broker. We have more than 10 regulations worldwide, and plus in the UAE we have Abu Dhabi Global Market. We can offer platforms especially for the beginners where they can have a lot of options such as AvaProtect, where clients can put insurance on their trades, especially the new traders, new clients. So their risks are limited with the premium they pay, and they will not, any losses will happen in the market, we can reimburse them to their trading account. Personally, the most important, as I said before, the regulations. The broker should be regulated. If he's in the Canada, should be regulated by Canadian Central Bank. In the UAE, by the UAE ESCA or the ADGM. AvaTrade regulated by the ADGM. Plus you have in local funding. You know, there is a risk of sending funds on probably the risk of conversion rates, high conversion rates. So you have local funding on the dirham account. So I recommend the broker in the UAE to have local regulations and local funding. Target market for AvaTrade is mainly any country where the central banks would accept the financial market, especially the CFDs market, okay, such as let's say Singapore, UK, Canada, Australia, or any other. Of course, that they have to try the demo account. They have to understand the assets they are trading on. And of course, they have to know which product they have to trade. They cannot open a platform and trade anything. They have to choose some product they already know for it and they have experience in it, so they can trade on it.
Hi, so we are currently at the Forex 2024 Expo, and I'm here at the River Prime booth with.
Zilal El Julani, Chief Strategy Officer of River Prime.
So why should one choose River Prime?
River Prime distinguishes itself from the competition with competitive pricing that we have. You are not going to find the same pricing that you have in River Prime. We like to cut through the slack and get straight to the point. Our technology and experts support our clients 24/7, and fast withdrawals, low commissions that you're not going to find in the market, and our regional presence in the MENA region, being close to our clients, make us understand our client needs very well and offer them tailored solutions and account types that suits them the most. So the requirements, they usually sent to our IB specialists who take care of our IBs. The process starts with a small call to understand the IB, and then it's dealt with an account manager that opens the doors to the IB with all our solutions. We offer also training videos to the clients, technical analysis, and we provide alerts to the clients about market moves, so they all know what is going to happen. They're not caught in surprise. IBs, we have very special offers for them. We share some of the revenues as well, and they enjoy the full service of our company that is integrated with different payment providers, with different solution providers, tech providers that allow us to provide a better services to the end trader. It feels a 360 experience in our company. It's a tech and finance together.
Okay, that's great. So what's your target market?
Our target market at the moment is the MENA region. We are present in Dubai, Jordan, Turkey, in Iraq, in different. We have clients in different from different areas in the business in the region. And we have 4 licenses in Malaysia, in Cyprus, in St. Vincent, and in Mauritius. My advice would be to understand the market, learn a bit before start trading. So attend some videos that we can also offer for free before you start this journey, because it can be profitable, but it can also be not profitable if you do the wrong mistakes. But we're more than happy to support our clients if they need to, and we're always giving them warnings if something is going to happen, or if they're exceeding, or if they're doing a bad move. So we don't let them fall without any precautions.
Hi, I'm Candy, and we are currently at the Forex 2024 Expo, and we are also here with
Mahesh Sharma from Finowiz.
Nice to meet you. So how long have you been in the trading industry?
We are in the business from last 11 years. We are supporting brokers with a B2B business, and we help brokers to give our CRM technology, social trading, liquidity connect to them. And we give the risk management plugins also. We are Finowiz FinTech Solutions. So we are now in St. Lucia and already working with FCA. And we are in the business like 120 countries, clients working with us. We provide the loyalty bonus to our client, which is 100% loyalty bonus. If one client deposit $10,000, he get extra $10,000 as a loyalty bonus, and he can use it, withdraw it. And the another things, we have the highest paying as in commission to our partners. Yes, and we provide one panic button to our client, where if the client is in sometime in a risk, then he can push the panic button, and we provide the rescue credit to our clients so that they can have the chances to get recover from the damages. And we also provide the insurance to our client. IB can only make sustainable brokerage commission if their client are educated and knowledge enough. So we provide to the IBs the proper trainings. We give education. We hire third-party education and the trainers to provide the trainings to their clients. It's just not about the marketing, because there are brokers who are spending like anything on the marketing. But definitely one should go for the reviews, how much positive reviews and negative reviews about any broker. Simultaneously, if the broker is working in their reason, that they should go to the social media pages and find out how many the negative and positive comments out there for the brokerage business. I would love to give one advice only. Your money is very hard-earned money, and this is highly volatile market. Learn before you get into the business. Don't put your all money at the first time. You start with the demo and practice account. When you get confidence, learn this business, and then go for the investment. And don't speculate, trade, and you can change your life.
And I'm at the Deriv booth with.
My name is Tanraj Tanak.
Okay, nice to meet you, Tonraj. How long have you been in the trading industry?
I'm in the industry for the last 10 plus years, and I'm with Deriv for the last 5 years. Sure. So we are one of the leading broker in the industry. We are in the industry for more than 25 years, as you can see here. We provide one of the innovative product, like we have our synthetic indices. We provide one of the best trading conditions in the forex and the commodities as well. If you ask me for the partnership opportunities, we provide quite competitive commission structure to our partners, where they can earn up to 45% under the affiliate commission and 15% $15 under the IB program. Literally, there is no requirement, I would say, that they just have to sign up our affiliate and IB form. Once they sign up, they will get the link which they can share with their clients. And whenever the sign-ups are coming via clients and clients are trading, you as an IB will get commission on a daily basis, which you will be able to withdraw on a daily basis as well. And the main thing why they should join, it's because we are very transparent and honest, where we don't ask any minimum commitment to our partners, like minimum number of trading volume or the minimum active clients or new clients. There's no hidden conditions. Even if you have a single clients and they are trading, you will get paid on a daily basis, which you will be able to withdraw as well. So whenever someone is selecting a broker, they should look for the regulation, like what regulations do they have, since how long the broker is into industry, what kind of trading platforms they are providing, and what are the trading conditions. These are some of the things I would say that one should be looking into. Someone who are kind of a beginner, they should have a realistic approach that why they are coming to this market or the industry. Trading, they should consider as a serious business where they should be aware about the risk which is involved in trading as well. When they manage the risk, there is endless opportunities where they can grow themselves.
That's true. Thank you very much, sir, for having us, and thank you for your time.